Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back. It's Steve. If you're new to the channel, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, please. I appreciate everyone who watches my videos. Today, I'm going to teach you two quick things to do in your Apple Notes app on your iPhone or your iPad. Basically, one, I'm going to show you how to scan a document. Really easy to scan a document now without having to use a dedicated scanner. You just use your phone and the Notes app. And second, I'm going to teach you one part of live text. Say you have a printed page or a book or anything that has words on it pretty much, and you want to take notes or you want to put them into your notes app. You don't want to write them out. You don't want to type them out. Again, you use your camera, you hold it over the note or the page or the book or the paper, and it'll just pull the words right off of that page and put them into your notes app. So those are the two things I'm going to show you. Let's get to my iPhone and I'll show you how to do that now. Let's go. All right, I'll first show you how to scan a document in Notes. And it's like scanning, like back in the days with a regular printer scanner. So first you want to open your Notes app, obviously. Create a new note. I already have a test note here, right? So that's my heading. Just hit return to get to the body of the note. And then what you want to do is hit the camera icon right there on the bottom little bar. And then you click on Scan Document, and then the camera will open to scan what you want. So I'm going to scan a magazine. Just show it. Bang. So now it's scanned your document. What you want to do is click on the scan, and now you have options. You could crop it any way you want. You could use filters if you want. You could just rotate the document, and you could obviously delete it there if you want to as well, or you could retake it in the top right hand corner. So I'm going to hit done. Now if I like this, I could just simply hit save and it'll go right into my doc. So I like it, I'll hit the save button. And there it is. Now the second thing I want to show you is how to take text off of a page. They call it live text. It's basically very similar. With this one, you want to see the little flashing bar, just press your finger right next to it. And then you see select all, paste, and this little square. Now click on the little square. And again, your camera opens. And now you just point it to any text you want. And you see that right there, it just added it to my note. So I could just hit insert. And everything that was just on that page is here. Just easy as that. And that is pretty much how you scan a document in Notes. And that's how you use live text in Notes. And that's pretty much it. That's how you scan a document, and that's how you pull live text, quote unquote, off of a book or a page or a paper to get it into your Notes app as well. I hope this was helpful. Tried to keep it really short and simple. If you like it, leave a comment down below. Again, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. And again, I appreciate everyone who's liked my videos, subscribed to my channel, and asked questions. And just let me know that you appreciate what I'm teaching you guys. So until the next video, I'll talk to you soon. Peace, guys.